Welcome to SS Multimedia. This is Arjun Kakonda. Today we'll be learning about repeating patterns. Our objective for the day will be understanding how to continue a repeating pattern using shapes, colors, and numbers. Take a look at this pattern right here. We have 6 shapes, but the pattern doesn't have 6 shapes because this is our whole pattern. As you can see, the pattern starts repeating right here. This is the first part of the pattern, and then it repeats from here. Our question is, what would be the 16th shape in this pattern? Now, to figure this out, we need to keep repeating the pattern until the 16th shape. Like I told you again, the pattern, the main pattern, is this, and it starts repeating from here. So, because there's a rectangle, then a circle, we need to repeat this pattern from the triangle. So the 7th shape would be a triangle. The 8th shape would be a diamond. The 9th shape would be a rectangle again. The 10th shape would be a circle. Our 11th shape would be a triangle. Our 12th shape would be a diamond. The 13th shape would be a rectangle. The 14th shape would be a circle. The 15th shape would be a triangle. 15th, sorry, I wrote a 7 there. And our final 16th shape would be a diamond. So our answer here is diamond. Now, let's move on to the next question. Here we're using colors. What we have to do here is predict the next 4 colors. If you want, we can highlight 4 colors, because that's what we're doing. Predict the next 4 colors. Now, as you can see, the pattern here is red, green, blue, green. And then it repeats, red, green, blue. What would be the next one? Now if you take a look here again, after blue, there's a green. So the next one is a green. Okay? Now we need to predict the next 3. Red, green, blue, green. That's our pattern. So now that we ended the pattern a second time, we repeat it again. So the next color would be red. Next, a green again. And finally, a blue. So the next 4 colors are green, red, green, and blue. Now, let's try a pattern using numbers. I'm sure most of you know the patterns that goes with like multiplication tables and stuff, like 2, 4, 6, 8, and all that. But these are different. These are the same thing as our colors and our shapes, except we're going to use numbers this time. So now, as you can see, the pattern here is 3, 6, 9, 6. And then it keeps repeating. So our main pattern is 3, 6, 9, 6. If you want, you can underline it. Now, all we need to do is simply repeat it. What we have to do here is predict the next 3 numbers. Now, 3, 6, 9, 6. So the next number would be, after 3 and 6, 9. Then 6 again. And then a 3. So our answer is 9, 6, and 3. Now that we're done with our main lesson, pause this video and do these 3. What you have to do here is predict the next 3. Over here, shapes, over here, colors, and over here, numbers. Okay, now pause this video and try them out. Assuming you paused this video and tried it, I'm going to show you how to do it. Now, let's take a look at the shapes first. Our shapes here are rectangle, circle, triangle, circle, rectangle, circle, and triangle. Obviously, as you can see, that's not the pattern. Our pattern is rectangle, circle, triangle, and circle. And then it starts repeating from there. So, now let's finish the pattern. Not finish it. Predict the next 3, because that was our objective for this question. So, if this ends with a triangle, as you can see here, after the triangle is a circle. So our next shape would be a circle. And then after that, it repeats again. So, a rectangle, and then a circle again. So our answers for this question are circle, rectangle, and circle. Next, we're doing colors. The colors we have here are orange, pink, blue, pink, orange, pink, and blue. Now, let's see what's the pattern. Pattern here is orange, pink, blue, pink. Because after pink, it starts repeating again. Orange, pink, blue. So, circle or underline, whichever you prefer, the first 4, because that's our pattern. Now, let's continue this part of the pattern, because we need to figure out the next 3. After blue, it's pink. So, pink, then orange again. Then finally, we have pink again. So our answers for this question are pink, orange, and pink. Now let's take a look at these numbers. 10, 7, 6, 10, 10, 7, 6, 10, 10, 7. Our pattern here is, one second, let me change the color so it matches. Okay, now our pattern here is 10, 7, 6, and 10. How do I know? Because it starts repeating from here. Again, 10, 7, 6, 10. So now, let's underline this, or circle it, and let's repeat the pattern. It ends with a 7, so after 7, there's a 6. Then, after 6, there's a 10. And then again, it repeats back to the first number, a 10. So our answers here are 6, 10, and 10. Now that we're done with that, let's try these 3 questions. Pause this video and try them out. Assuming you took your time and did these, I'm going to show you how to do it. Starting with the shapes. So what we need to do here on this question is predict 12 more. The shapes we have here are rectangle, circle, triangle, circle, rectangle, circle, and triangle. But our main pattern ends here with the circle because it starts repeating from there with the rectangle. So let's underline or circle or highlight, whichever one you prefer. And then let's continue the pattern. But first, we need to figure out these numbers. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Now, the eighth one would be a circle because after triangle right here, there's a circle. So, circle, sorry. Let me undo that. Circle, and that would be our eighth shape. And after a circle, there's a rectangle, and it keeps repeating. So the ninth shape is a rectangle. The 10th shape is a circle. The 11th shape is a triangle. And finally, our 12th shape is a circle. So our answer here is a circle. Now let's take a look at the colors. The colors we have here are orange, pink, blue, pink, orange, pink, and blue. Now let's figure out the pattern here. If you take close attention, it's orange, pink, blue, pink, and then orange. So it repeats from here. So our main pattern is this part. Now let's repeat this until we find the 12th shape. Right now this is the first one, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, and seventh. We have 7, and the 8th one would be pink because after blue it's a pink. So 8 and 9 would be orange because it starts repeating. Orange. And then pink again. The 10th one would be pink again. The 11th one would be blue because after pink it's a blue. This part. And finally, our 12th one is pink. So our answer here is pink. Now let's finally move on to numbers. The numbers we have here are 10, 7, 6, 10, 10, 7, 6, 10, 10, and 7. So, sorry about the color thing, it popped up. Now, what we need to do is figure out the main pattern. So for that, we need to figure out where it starts repeating. So 10, 7, 6, 10. That's where it starts repeating again, with the 10. So, this is our main pattern. Now, let's repeat it from the 7. So if you pay close attention, after 7, it's a 6. But first, let's count how many we have. How many numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we have a 10. The 7 is the 10th one. So 6 would be 11th. 11th one. Sorry about that, it looks confusing. 6 is the 11th one. And finally, Our 12th one would be 10. So our answer here is 10. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. If this video helped you out, please like and share and subscribe to our channel for more videos.